Regional jets carry less than 100 passengers, commonly used on routes from and to mid-sized airports like Buffalo Niagara International. Several were at our local airport today. If you go to the Delta Airlines website, you'll see them. The CRJ-900 model, which stands for Canadair Regional Jet, made by the Quebec-based Bombardier Company since the 1990s, before they sold off that license, most recently to Mitsubishi of Japan. Again, they're commonly in use among the bigger jets like the Boeing 737s and Airbus A320s, which have wing-mounted engines. But in this case, these jets have engines mounted towards the tail of the jet. Here is one from American Airlines taking off last summer during the BNIA runway construction project. Tragically, the same kind of plane involved in that mid-air collision with an Army Black Hawk helicopter at Reagan National in Washington, D.C. last month. And aviation analysts spoke about their common use in the airline industry.
CRJs have been in service for many, many years. The predecessor to the 900 series, it's actually what started the regional jet type of aircraft. So they've been in service for decades. They're a workhorse airplane. They're flown by a large number of airlines around the world every day.
Well, some reports indicate they have been involved in a number of accidents through the years. That's probably due to their frequent and constant use by airlines. So the question also goes to the reliability and safety of these jets. Remember, in this case, with an apparent hard landing, there are descriptions of a hard bounce as the plane may have touched down first on its right landing gear, which collapsed. That may have caused the jetliner to actually flip over. One of the wings, where the fuel tanks are, snapped off, and while there was an initial explosion in flames, the passengers were protected in the fuselage or body of the plane, which stayed intact. So it goes to reason.
The CRJ is a tough airplane. This is a case that shows that. The exits opened exactly as they were designed to, and that it says that there's good manufacturing and there's good certification requirements. The people that got out are because a well-manufactured airplane was certified to high standards and operated by a good crew.
Also, weather conditions. Conflicting accounts about a strong crosswind possibly affecting the landing of the plane. The pilots being busy with that. On your side, Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.